Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments on LinkedIn posts. Whether you want to share an announcement without opening up discussion or simply prefer to limit engagement on certain content, this feature gives you complete control over who can interact with your posts. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account by entering your email address and password. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and all your activity. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to locate the specific post where you want to disable comments. You can find your posts by scrolling through your feed or by clicking on your profile picture and viewing your activity. Take a moment to find the exact post you want to modify, as this setting applies individually to each post rather than all posts at once. Once you've found your post, look for the three dots icon. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of your post and serves as a menu for various post options. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option that says who can comment on this post. Click on this option to open the comment settings for that particular post. This is where LinkedIn gives you the flexibility to control engagement on your content. You'll now see a set of radio buttons with different commenting options. Look for the option labeled off and click the radio button next to it. By selecting this option, you're essentially turning off the ability for anyone to leave comments on your post. This means your content will still be visible and can be shared, but no one will be able to add their thoughts or feedback in the comments section. After selecting the off option, make sure to click the save button to apply your changes. This step is crucial because without saving, your settings won't take effect and comments will remain enabled on your post. And that's it. You've successfully disabled comments on your LinkedIn post. This simple adjustment gives you control over how people interact with your content, allowing you to share information on your terms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.